What's up guys, Fix Alex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove your door panel of this is 2010 Kia Sportage. Alright, so that's the tools that we're gonna use: Phillips head screwdriver and flathead screwdrivers. First step is to remove 5 bolts, 3, 4 and 5 on the side. So one of them behind that cover, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very simple procedure, guys. Just remove that cover just like that, then using your Phillips screwdriver remove 4 of them. It's gonna be 4 of them, and then remove your mirror cover. Start from the top just like that. Remove your speaker cover. Start from the left side or from the speaker, just like that. Be careful, just like that. Alright, so we remove all our bolts. Now we can pull the cover. Stick your flathead screwdriver and pull it. Pull it gently, just like that. Alright, good. Now lift it up, just like that. Okay. And that's it, guys. Ready to go. There is 2 connectors, as you can see. One of them for Windows regulator and the other one for your speaker. So remove those 2 connectors and that's it, guys. You're ready to go. 3 screws for your mirror and 3 screws for your speaker, and the handle is behind that panel. Thank you for watching. Join to my channel and see you soon.